Hi everybody, today I want to show you and unbox this Lictin baby grab carrier. It's supposed that it's made of 95% cotton and 5% spandex, and it supports 35 pounds or 16 kilos. So your baby could be like quite big and you can still carry the infant. So the only thing that comes with this fabric is, or with this carrier, is the instructions, which are very simple to read, different languages, and they show you how to wrap it around so you don't have to be struggling in how to put it on. So the fabric is very soft, I can tell you that right away. Okay, so the fabric is not elastic at all, which I thought it will be, and it's very thin. You can even see the color of my skin. You kind of see my fingers through, but still like feels very strong fabric, which is nice. As I mentioned before, it's made of cotton, and this can carry up to 35 pounds. So I want to show you how long this is. It's more than 4 meters. As you can see here, you have a lot of fabric to play with. It's huge. And then the way to put it is always find the middle and just put it like this. Turn around, cross it, then the middle. You cross it again. Aquí and put it acá. Interesting enough, I thought it was going to be very long, and it's not that long. And that's it. Then you place your baby here, open this part and place it like that, and then you will put your baby there. By the way, I forgot to mention that it comes with this bag for easy transportation. And this is the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you want to see more of these unboxings. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!